Hi kittens, today we're going to do a video that's a little bit different. I have this drawer right here. I kind of want to make that, I'm in between wanting to make that the drawer where all of my matte eyeshadows are. Things in that drawer that I need to take out, right, to put where they do belong. I guess I don't really know everything that's in there because I've looked in the drawer to actually see what's all in there. So you guys are going to sit here with me and we're going to go through everything inside of the drawer. So I thought this would be a good video. So any surprises, we'll both be surprised. Okay, so the first thing, what a coincidence, right? This is a matte eyeshadow palette. So this is the 9B Matte Essentials palette from Morphe. And it's never been open. Look at this. 9B Essentials palette from Morphe. Here's what that looks like. Beautiful. Another Morphe palette in 9B Calm Me Baby. Here's what Calm Me Baby looks like. Okay, so I got this on clearance at Walmart, as you can see, for $6. And this is the Revolution by Fortnite palette. And here's what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful? It's a whole vibe, isn't it? Love it. Okay, here's another one from Revolution and Fortnite. This was on clearance as well for $6. I believe my Walmart was just trying to get rid of this stuff at the time, but here's what that looks like. Really pretty. So this is the Supply Llama shadow palette. This is the Cuddle Team Leader. This is the Cuddle Team Leader eyeshadow palette. Fortnite and Revolution. This was $6 as well. And this is the Pelly eyeshadow palette. You know, I have some sunscreen in here. Sun Basics sunscreen lotion and SPF 50. And I believe, where did I get this from, y'all? I have no idea where I got this from. Maybe the Dollar Tree, maybe Walmart, one or the other. This right here is from Beauty Treats. This is a highlighter. This is the Golden Hour highlighter. And this looks like I got this from Burlington's for $3.99. Here's what that looks like. That's pretty, but it looks like an overspray. It is. Ooh, that's pretty. And I have the Pelly Revolution. It's the Pelly banana powder from Makeup Revolution. I believe this was on clearance like the eyeshadows were. And this is just what it looks like. So this is a part of the Fortnite and Revolution collaboration as well. In case you don't know who Pelly is, this is Pelly. Okay, also a part of the Revolution and Fortnite collection. This is a mascara, and this was on sale for $4. And I don't think I'm going to open this just yet because I'm not ready to use it. Here is a Wet n Wild liner. Looks like I opened it and never used it. This was for $5.28 from Walmart on clearance. And this right here is the Skinny Breakup Proof liner. And here's what that looks like. It's like, thing I got was this LA Colors. Well, this was this LA Colors eye marker. It's the slim felt tip, and it's in black. And I do believe I got this from the Dollar Tree. I did get the Wet n Wild Mega Clear what is this? A lash and brow mascara. So this is just a clear gel formula, but it's a mascara. And I don't really want to open this right now. I guess I could try it. You know what? I'm going to open it. Here it is. So it's like it says it's a lash and a brow mascara. So I'm going to try this on my lashes. So I'm going to put this in my everyday makeup drawer. Another sunscreen. This is SPF 30 and this is the Sport. And I do believe I got this from the Dollar Tree a while back. Oh, I grabbed another Wet n Wild break-proof, waterproof liquid eyeliner here. But I'm not going to open this one. And this is another eye marker. It's the same thing. The slim felt tip liquid eyeliner in black. And I do think I got this from the Dollar Tree. One more thing I got from the collaboration with Revolution and Fortnite is the Peely. Is it Peely or Pelly? Why do I keep saying Pelly? I think it's Peely. Anyways, the Peely fixing spray. So this is a fixing spray. I got this for $4. Here's what that looks like. Spray. Ooh. The smell is definitely there. There's a scent with this. If you don't like scented things, I wouldn't get this. But this, by no means am I saying everything in here is new. It's like things I just haven't seen in a while. So I got this Morphe's Love Matters eyeshadow palette. Here's what that looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, another thing I got was from Morphe as well. This is the Cabernet blush. Here's what the Cabernet blush palette looks like. Really pretty. This is really pretty. The Morphe Smoke and Shadow eyeshadow palette. And here's what that looks like. Really pretty. The Morphe Neutral Territory in 9T. Here's what that looks like. Nevertheless, this is Morphe Sunrise Glow palette in 9G. And here's what that looks like. Midnight Dune from Morphe in 9M. Here's what Midnight Dune look like. It's really pretty. Okay, I have an e.l.f. powder blush palette. This is the light fair one, looks like. And here's what it looks like. This is the Sephora Metallic Pigment palette. And here's what that looks like. I don't know, what is this? This is a highlighting and blush palette. Okay, another thing I have is the Smashbox hashtag Shape Matters palette. Here's what that looks like. I have another Morphe palette. This is the 9Z. This is the 9Z Just Say Zen palette. I love this cover with the purple. It's so pretty. Here's what that looks like. And here is what it looks like. Really pretty. Really gorgeous. Love the color story. Okay, I have the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. And this is well loved. It's barely smelling like peach at this point. I have a LA Colors brow palette. It's a lot in here. Let me see. It comes with these stickers. It's like a stencil for your brows. And then all these powders. I have the Milani Most Loved Mattes palette. This too is well loved. You probably can barely tell. I have the Urban Decay Vice lipstick palette. And I use this quite a bit as well, y'all. Okay, and then I have the Tartelette Amazonian Clay palette. Here's what that looks like. This Stila Eyes Are the Window shadow palette in Mind. The L'Oreal lip palette in Plum 2. And this is not open, y'all. So I'm not going to open this. Another LA Colors matte eyeliner. The liquid eyeliner. Okay, but I also got the LA Colors metallic liquid eyeliner in metallic rose gold. Here's what that looks like. It's right here. I have the metallic liquid liner from LA Colors in metallic gold. Here is what that looks like right here. I have the Lorac Pro palette, Pro 2. I have another Swisher. The Animals Crossing palette and What a Hoot from ColourPop. The Lorac Matte Pro palette. And the Revolution Espresso Tasty palette. This palette right here. Okay, so it looks like it was already heading towards the all matte eyeshadow drawer, despite all the extra stuff we found, all the sunscreen and weird stuff. Anyways, I don't know why all this stuff was in there. But anyways, I am going to make this now my matte eyeshadow palette drawer because I like to have my mattes just readily available. So I'm going to put those in now. Here's what it looks like. You're inside of the drawer. And